Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to achieve this gold glam look on my beautiful model Anastasia. And if you guys don't already know her, her name is AKBEAUTYYY on Instagram and she is incredibly talented, so I would highly suggest you go ahead and follow her. So I'm going to be going in with the oil control lotion from MAC and just applying that all over her face since she is quite oily, and then I'm going to be taking the Benefit Professional and applying that primer all over her face with the foundation paddle brush. And as usual, I'm going to just use the lip conditioner and apply that all over her lips for hydration. And then I'm going to go in with the GLAM brow pomade and just apply her brows using this product, which I absolutely love. And I'm just going to underline, and then I'm going to overline, and then I'm just going to go towards the tail of her brow and try and keep it a little bit more light at the front, so I'm only using the excess product on the brush. Now I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty concealer and just applying that all over her lids, and then I'm going to use that to carve out her brows. Now blending out all of that leftover concealer with a concealer buffing brush and setting it with my Holy Grail Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now just applying some scotch tape to her eyes just to get a really nice precise wing and shadow application. And I'm going to take out my absolute favourite palette, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. The first shade I'm going to be using is Burnt Orange, and this is an amazing colour for a transition shade if you want a warm tone shadow. And I'm just going to be applying this with a fluffy blending brush in the crease. Now I'm going to be taking Sienna and I'm just going to be applying that more towards the outer corners of her eyes and just underneath where I applied that first shade. Now I'm going to be taking Cypress Umber and I'm just going to be applying that pretty much where I applied Sienna and just focusing that on the outer V of her eyes. Now I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is a really nice gold illuminating sheen to it. It's amazing, and I like to use this before applying any gold shadows because it makes the shadows stand out so much more. So I'm just applying this all over the lids of her eyes. Now I'm going to be patting on glistening all over her lids. I then applied a really extended winged eyeliner because that's how Anastasia likes her liner. And now time for lashes. I'm going to be applying the AKBEAUTYYY lashes in the style Victoria, which is really nice, dramatic, fluffy lashes. Now applying the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the shade Custard, and Anastasia's my friend, normally wouldn't apply foundation like this, so I'm just going to dispense it all over her face with my fingers, and then I'm going to be blending it out with the foundation paddle brush. As usual, I'm going to go in with a concealer buffing brush and just blend out any of those areas that we might have missed by using that foundation puddle brush. And now just patting over everything with a beauty blender. Now I'm going to be applying that Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer just underneath her eyes. Also down the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, her chin and her forehead. Now I'm just going to be blending that all out with a concealer buffing brush. Now just going over everything with a beauty blender. I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty powder and I'm going to be applying that to her under eyes and to her smile lines. Now I'm going to be taking a big powder brush and I'm just going to be brushing away all of that baking and setting her face at the same time. Now for contouring, I'm going to be using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, which is a holy grail of mine, and just applying that to her cheekbones. Also along her jawline, and then picking up a small fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and contouring her nose. Now I'm just going to be baking that cheekbone contour, and I'm just going to sharpen and neaten everything up a little bit. And now applying the Mary Luminizer by the balm on her cupid's bow and on the tip of her nose and down the bridge. I'm also going to be adding some on the inner corners just to make her eyes pop. Now I'm just going to apply a tissue and lean that on her face to catch any fallout, and I'm going to apply some Cypress Umber underneath her eyes on her lash line, and I'm going to be applying that with a pencil or bullet brush. Now just brushing away that baking underneath her eyes. And also from her cheekbone contour. Now for blush, I'm going to be adding Peaches from MAC and just applying that to the apples of her cheeks. Now just adding highlighter, my favourite part. For setting spray, I'm going to be using the Make & Mac's Life Proof Setting Spray, and then I'm going to be lining her lips with the Borneo NARS lip liner and just going along her natural lip line. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Inglot lipstick in the shade 224, which is just a really nice pretty nude. Then I'm just going to be topping that with a nice gloss. And that is the finished look, and she literally looks so flawless. I highly suggest you guys get onto her Instagram. I'll leave the link below and you can suss out her work. She is so talented, and if you want to see more of these videos from me, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Bye!